Imagine this: if someone had bought just $250 worth of Bitcoin back in 2015, it would be worth over $100,000 today. And yeah, there are people who turned just a $100 crypto investment into $10,000 in a matter of months. So the real question is, are you about to miss the next big crypto opportunity? If that thought's crossed your mind, you're in the right place. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start investing in crypto, even if you're a total beginner. We will cover how to avoid rookie mistakes, keep your money safe, and actually grow your investment in 2025. I'm Zion, and this video is designed for folks just like you who want to get started the smart way. By the end, you will know where to open an account, which coins to look into, how to manage risk, and what steps to take next. But first, quick story. Meet Alex, a 28-year-old graphic designer earning about $4,000 a month. For the longest time, he watched crypto prices shoot up and crash down and always thought, too risky for me. But then a friend of his made 5x profits in crypto, and Alex thought, okay, I gotta give this a shot. So he started small, just $100. And that one move taught him 3 powerful lessons. First, start small, think long-term. Only invest what you are okay with losing. If Bitcoin drops 20%, losing $20 stings a lot less than losing $2,000, and it helps you stay calm and focused. Second, pick the right exchange. Different platforms have different features. If you're in the US in 2025, Coinbase and Kraken are 2 solid options. They're secure, easy to use, and have pretty fair fees. So now, Alex has his $100 invested. What next? It's time to choose the right coins and get smart with risk. Start by researching the top 3 coins by market cap: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and one solid altcoin. Bitcoin is basically digital gold. Ethereum powers smart contracts, NFTs, and decentralized apps. And for your altcoin, go with something strong like Solana or Polkadot. Look for coins with active developers and a strong community behind them. Actually, quick question. What's your favorite altcoin and why? Drop it in the comments below. Now let's talk about risk management. Don't invest more than 5 to 10% of your total investable money in crypto, and use dollar cost averaging. That means you invest the same amount every week or month, no matter what the market's doing. It helps you ride out the highs and lows without stressing. Are you more of a weekly or monthly DCA person? Tell me in the comments. So Alex kept adding $50 a month to his portfolio, and slowly but surely, it started growing. But investing is just one part. Protecting your crypto is the next big thing. At first, an exchange wallet is fine, but once your holdings cross $500, you have to move them to a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor. Keeps you safe from hacks. Also, stay educated. Follow reliable sources, use tools like CoinGecko or Glassnode, and set up Google alerts for stuff like Bitcoin halving or Ethereum upgrade forums like cryptocurrency are great. Just make sure to double-check everything before acting on advice. After 6 months, Alex had grown his $100 plus and $50 monthly deposits into a $420 portfolio. That's a 25% gain, despite all the market ups and downs. But more importantly, he had built confidence and a strategy that actually worked. And that's what I want for you. So that's your beginner's crypto investing guide for 2025. Remember, start small, use DCA, protect your crypto, and never stop learning. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss our weekly Faceless Finance Deep with Dark. Got a crypto question? Drop it in the comments. I will feature the best one in the next video. Thanks for watching and happy investing.